Flashback is a platform that allows you to create a study partner that turns any course material into memory-boosting study sessions. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to click Start Learning and we're going to start making some flashcards. I'm going to create my first set here. I'm actually going to use a YouTube video to create some flashcards, and then I'm going to click generate. Now this video is a podcast. I often use it whenever I need a YouTube video on this channel. It's essentially a podcast I did with a good friend of mine called Marek about creativity and AI and what the future holds for, I guess, those two sort of practices. It's a really interesting landscape we're in at the moment. I'm getting quite a lot of inquiries from corporate clients and startups as well, because there's always a lot going on in this space. And here we have it. We've generated 20 flashcards, and let's take a look at them. So AI's three main components: content creation, conducting research, and automation are the three primary components of AI functionality. This is absolutely correct. I remember saying this.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Future business structure: businesses will have AI agents at the bottom level, 3 to 20 people managing the AI agents in the middle, and 1 to 3 people answering the shareholders at the top. Very true. I remember saying that time, money, and network are 3 things you can leverage to get more of each. Strategic allocation of these resources is key. Yes, I remember Marek mentioning that as well. So this is very interesting. It's analyzed the entire transcript of that video, and it's actually created flashcards. And I'm going to be honest, I'm very pleased with this platform. I think this is a really cool one. Definitely check it out. I would say, definitely use it for YouTube videos and PDFs. You can even use it for your Notion boards. And looks like a great way to actually learn things.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.